Hello and welcome to everybody. So today we will learn about the interface of SAP2000. Every engineer which are familiar with the design of structure design must know about SAP2000 or CSI softwares. SAP2000 actually a structural analysis program, and this is a very great revolution in structural engineering. You can analysis of making analysis of different structures in SAP 2000 by making a models. So in SAP 2000 you can make models. Every civil engineer must be installed like this type of logo, or it is version 14, so you can also add or install a latest version. So I have installed, I have come with the version 40. Actually is compatible and easily available, so I use this one, and you can use the advanced one. And likewise SAP 2000, the same concept you can implement in ETIPS. So SAP 2000 is mostly used by structural engineers which know the making the structure RCC building design, as well as steel structure, tower design, building design, or steel structure design. It is fitted with the codes, with the factor of safety and different codes and standards. So let me introduce the interface. You can click here. Did you show? Okay, no problem with that one. If you come with this one, you have the interface. Here is your SAP 2000. Structural background is depend on your studies, your background of studies and knowledge, and your tutor. So now we have these options. We can open a already existing file, or we can create new file. So these are the drawing toolbars. Here you can draw the special joints, points, and draw the frame structure and this one. So I will show you that what is frame structure and what is shell structure, and like this. So these are very important tools we are using in SAP 2000. So I will create a new model here. So just I click here. So you can see that I have option here. You know that my system of units. Normally three units are available. Force, or displacement, or distance, and then Fahrenheit for temperature. So these are default. If you are working in MKS system, SI system, or APS system, it's up to your locality and your project standards you are using in your area. So I will use kilonewton millimeter. I am working in this R kilonewton in millimeter and centigrade. Here I will set initialize with this one. You can use the frame structure. Many templates are available. Select template you are proposing 2D truss. You can use this one. In 2D truss you can use this one. Storage structure you can use this one. Shell structure you can use this one. Now I am going to with my sample buildings. In our previous tutorials we have retaining structures modeling also, we have building modeling also. So now you know the basic concept of application of loads, define of materials, define of load cases. So all these things are very necessary to understand the concept of SAP 2000. So normally I will click here the grid structure only. Here I will click here. So here is this window will open quick grid lines. X direction, how many grids you have. If I kept here 3, so in my X direction will be 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3 like this, and Y direction I will run 4. Then our Z direction is directly represent the number of story from foundation, first story, second story like this. So I will kept is up to 4. It means that foundation, then I have first story, second, third. So it will be cover three stories. So this is the district space that you can uh, use as customized later. Okay, just click here. So you can see that this is our 3D model. Two windows are appear here, and this is XY plot. You know, just click here. This is your 3D view. So 3D view 1, 2, 3, 4. As we have put it in Z direction, 4 grids. Okay. So XY, if you are here is XY. So you can XZ means you are one XZ frame. If you are here, this is highlighted that you are at this portion. From this arrow you can use your up down like this in the same. If you are window in XY direction, so you can go up and downs. Okay, not side movements, down, down, down. It depends on your modeling applications later these movements, and from these points you can fit into the actual one. You can increase, you can decrease, you can increase, you can zoom in, zoom out, and you can move this one like this. And this is our 3D. So already we have 3D model here, and this is your NV. You can XY here, which grid or which coordinate you required, you can use that one here. So these are our basic views on SAP 2000. SAP 2000 is basically, that this tool will be very useful. This step, sorry. So this step, from this step you have defined, you are 70% of work here in these steps. So first of all, you can use the material, which type of concrete you are using, then which type of steel you are using. If you are going with RCC design, so two things are very necessary. One is your concrete, second is your reinforcement rebars. You can add quick reinforcement. If you are working in a steel structure, so you can ASTM which type of steel you are using, so you can use that steel. And now I am using that concrete. So here is 40-50 psi concrete. You can use that one. Already we have added 4000 psi concrete here, and you are here rebar. So rebar grade 60, grade 40, grade 75. So which is available and which is provisioned by the code, you can use that one. I have come with grade 60. And now you can modify these things. You can modify later after your analysis. Grade 40 steel, you can put the unit weight of steel here, and you can put modulus of elasticity here automatically. This is, you need to change this one. Let's suppose I put here 23 to 26. 23 as default, which is as default is okay. Here is you can use the as default specified concrete strength. You can use that one into 20 psi strength. Okay, MK system, this is your concrete strength. So I will put here, cancel it and modify it. So you can modify the strength from here, concrete strength, but actually grade 4000 psi concrete, you can change the name into 28 C, yeah, M28, whatever, C28. It depends on your codes. Like this you can change your concrete. Okay, then this is just overview, not a detailed design. We have already done the detailed design in our previous, and our playlist are already available with you, so you can use that one. And you can then use the frame structure, tendon structure, area section. If you are going to frame structure analysis modeling of building, so you have only frame structure, beam and columns. Beam and column, you can add any beam and column, like here concrete. So we are rectangular structure. So we can also import or add new property like concrete. We can add all these detail are given in our, just I click here. So FCBL like this here. Then we similarly will add the column, and detail is available with our previous tutorials. So You can go through the playlist and in the given channel. So here is we have defined material, then we have slab type of shell, okay, add section which thin slab largely it is only used for the taking loads. Then this slab is used to export in a SAP 2000 for slab design. So these are very important tools every structural engineer must know, like CSI softwares, very from the very basic to very advanced level. And we have provided all our tutorials with the CSI softwares, ETAP, SAFE, and SAP2000. So these are all with us. So just like this click and from the define to mass source, all joint patterns, every detail is given in the previously. Now how you will apply, like clicking here, like clicking here. These are the type of, we have defined one source, so you can use it. Okay. So thank you very much. This is just for review, and for detailed design and analysis you should go in the playlist.